Mark your calendars, tech enthusiasts. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is coming to India on March 11, 2025, and it's set to redefine what a premium smartphone can do. Following its global debut at MWC 2025 and its initial release in China, Xiaomi is bringing its flagship photography powerhouse to Indian shores, and it's everything a photography enthusiast could dream of. In an official statement, Xiaomi made it clear that the Xiaomi 15 series isn't for casual users. It's built for professionals who live and breathe photography. As the company put it, this is not a toy. This is not for casual clicks. This is not for just anyone. The Xiaomi 15 series is built for those who know their way around a lens, those who live in manual mode, and those who demand more than presets. This is it, only for the chosen few. And with specs like these, it's easy to see why. While the global version of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra retains the same core specifications as its Chinese counterpart, there are a few key differences. The battery capacity has been slightly reduced, with the Ultra dropping from 6,000 mAh to 5,410 mAh, and the standard Xiaomi 15 going from 5,400 mAh to 5,240 mAh. Additionally, Xiaomi hasn't highlighted the usage in Shaojing batteries in its global product information, suggesting a potential change in battery suppliers. Another noticeable difference is the absence of the Cypress green color option, which was available in China. Instead, the global variant will be offered in three sleek silver chrome color options: black, white, and a stunning metallic finish. But don't let these minor changes fool you. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is still a beast when it comes to performance and photography. With its advanced camera system, professional-grade features, and premium design, it's clear that Xiaomi is targeting a niche audience of photography enthusiasts and professionals. So, what can you expect from the launch event on March 11th at 12 noon? A deep dive into the Xiaomi 15 Ultra's capabilities, hands-on impressions, and maybe even a few surprises. Whether you're a professional photographer or just someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is definitely worth keeping an eye on. For more updates on the Xiaomi 15 series and the latest in tech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology with TechVerse.